name is Elvira Rania Susanti.
My name is Cindy Trikatika Putri.
My name is Ahmad Iksan.
Thank you and happy watching. See you.
Hello bro, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
Fine, how are you? You know, I just box some apple.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
What are you talking about? It's so really beautiful. Yes, that's right. Is it true?
Come on, join us.
Oh, yeah. Easy. Just like that.
Yeah, that's right. It smells good, right?
Yes.
Yes, it smells really good. It's sweet. It's also smelly. Easy to go anywhere.
There and in market, it was 60,000, right?
Yeah, that's right. Well, that's right. I think so ready.
Guys, we're going twice. Yes, there is a lobster.
Okay, see you.
See you too. Bye.
Bye. Okay, okay.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
How are you? I'm fine too. Thank you. What do you think, Hizam and Iksan?
I think they're both nice. I think look like twins.
Their bodies are almost the same, but I think Iksan is taller and Hizam.
Their hairstyles are also almost identical. That's right. Their skin color